What's our number for today, boys and girls?
15.
What's our number today?
15.
I want you to go ahead and take out your markers. I want you to put that on your place value card. Oh, Alberto's almost got his. Ian's almost got his. Show me how 15 would look on your place value card. And then show me.
Okay, 5.
Jordy's done. Christian's done.
I'm done. 6.
Chin or nose? Put it underneath your chin or nose. Looks like everybody has theirs. Let's see if my friend Bianca can build it for us. Okay, let's go ahead and make sure our caps are on. And we're going to count along with Bianca.
10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15.
Okay, now take a look at your card. Remember, we're not erasing and we're not adding anything right at this point. I want you to give me a secret thumbs up if you put 110 in your 10 spot. I want you to give me a secret thumbs up if you put a 5 in your 1 spot. In your 1 spot. I looked around and I think everybody had this on their place value cards. If you put more than 5, just erase yours and make sure you only have 5 in your 1 spot. Make sure that you only have 5 in your 1 spot.
5.
Because sometimes many of you have been putting 15 inside your 1 spots, and we need to make sure that only 5 ones go inside your 1 spot. Yes, Andre? Just ask me your question. Yes, yes. Okay. Let's go ahead and let's fill out our 10s and our 1s. Let's talk about what we wrote. So how many 10s do we have?
1.
1. So let's all write 1 inside our 10s. How many 1s did we have?
5.
So let's write our 5. Now here's the question I want to ask you. We have 1 stick. We have 1 stick of 10s. How many cubes are inside that 1 stick?
10.
10. So we'll write that down in our math sentence. 10. And 1s are easy because they stay the same. So how many 1s do we have? 5. Now before we write down our answer, let's practice saying our number sentence first. So everyone, let's say it together.
10 plus 5 equals.
Okay, one more time.
10 plus 5 equals.
So what does 10 plus 5 equals? Write it down. Don't shout it out. Write it down. Write it down. Now let's practice saying that sentence, that number sentence again, but now let's say our answer along with that. Okay, I'll get ready. 10
plus 5 equals 15.
What did it equal?
15.
15. Because that's how many cubes there is all together. That's how many cubes there are all together. So, boys and girls, how many cubes do you have?
15.
Boys and girls, how many cubes do you have?
15.
Oh, who can tell me in a complete sentence? Boys and girls.
I have 15.
Perfect. Okay, boys and girls, let's go ahead and erase our place value card.
On the floor.
And I'm going to give you 10 seconds to do this. If you don't erase it all in 10 seconds, that's okay. We're still going to turn it over and flip it to our double 10 frames. So 10 seconds is all you get. When the timer goes off, we're going to switch it over, even if we're not finished. Okay, that means everybody's flipping theirs over. So we can go on to our double 10 frames. Okay, so what's our number for today? 15. Boys and girls, go ahead and show me 15 on our double 10 frames. Thank you, Gerardi. Gerardi showed me. Thank you, Bianca. Thank you, Andre. How do you show me, sweetie? Thank you. Yes, Edward.
I don't have a marker.
You don't have a marker? Did you lose your marker? Show me. Brian, how do you show me? Thank you. Okay, I'm going to call a friend to put our double 10 frame, to put our counters on a double 10 frame. Bryant. Bryant. Okay, everyone put yours on your lap and let's count along with Bryant.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15.
Thank you, Bryant. Now, take a look at yours. Take a look at yours and give me a secret thumbs up if yours matches Bryant's. Give me a secret thumbs up if yours matches Bryant's. If you wrote more, go ahead and erase if you wrote more. If you wrote less, then go ahead and add some more to make yours look just like this. But I think I looked around and I think everyone got this correct. How many do we have on the top of our 10?
10.
Kind of matches this one, this number right here. How many do we have on that bottom 10 frame? 5. Just here. So if we have 10 and 5, how many counters altogether?
15.
All right, boys and girls, go ahead and erase. I'm going to give you 10 seconds again. If you do not get to finish erasing, that's okay. You don't need to let Ms. Chavez know you're done. You could just show me by putting your hands in your lap. Okay, boys and girls, before we put our things away, let's keep everything on the floor because we're going to identify our 15 on our number line. I need a friend that can identify our 15. Yes.
You fixed it,
Yes. Natalie, can you identify our 15? So Natalie put it on our 15. Now let's go ahead and let's count on. What should our markers be?
I don't know.
So let's count on. We're gonna go
15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
Okay, let's go ahead and let's count back. Let's count
It's
back.
at 68.
Okay.
15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0.
Thank you so much, Erin, for being very respectful of the carpet while we were counting back. Okay, boys and girls, what we're gonna do now is we still need our markers, but you do not need your place value card. So let's go ahead and pass these up. We will still need our markers. It's okay, Brian. Class, class? Class, class? Can you show me how to be a good friend? How to be a good listener? Thank you. Okay, boys and girls, what we're gonna do is we're gonna move on to this side of the carpet. Thank you, Alberto, for walking nicely. Thank you, Gerardi. Thank you, Anthony, for sitting down. Thank you. Andre, go ahead and go. Class, class. Class, class. Brian, class, class. Thank you. Okay, now let's get you a marker and eraser. Thank you, Samuel. Yes.
Are you guys kind of again?
I might not because you already have your markers with you. So. I like how my friend Madeline's waiting nicely. I like the way that Charity is. Anthony, can you show me how to be a good listener? Brian, can you show me how to be a good listener? Wait, can you show me how to be a good listener? Okay, boys and girls, Miss Chavez is going to show you a duck card. It's going to be quick. It's not going to be slow. Miss Chavez, you only get 3 seconds. Miss Chavez is only going to give you 3 seconds to take a look at our duck card today. Please remember what kind of strategies you're using. Oh wait, we need to pass these back. Go ahead and pass these back, friends. We're not going to get time today, so just pass them back. I'm looking though for the quietest row. Bianca's row is almost finished. Christian's row is almost finished. Oh, Ian's row is finished. Thank you. Thank you. Christian's row is finished. Pass them back, Karina. Pass them back. You keep one for yourself. Yes, Michael, did you have a question for me?